What's the meaning of anthem? Anthem. 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 Anthem.
Anthem refers to a song or composition that is regarded as the official symbol of a particular group, community, or nation. It usually reflects the cultural, social and political values of the people it represents. An anthem is typically performed during national or ceremonial events to evoke a sense of pride, unity, and patriotism. The lyrics of an anthem often convey a message of hope, inspiration, and resilience. Overall, an anthem serves as a unifying force that brings people together under a common identity and shared history.